Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for today. Good news for OnePlus 13R, 13S, OnePlus 15 and 15R users. OnePlus has started pushing the new major OxygenOS 16.0.8 update for these devices. OnePlus 13R recently received OxygenOS 16.0.7 V200 build, which is essentially new OxygenOS 16.1. But yesterday, via beta release candidate section, this device started to receive new 16.0.8 300 incremental update, which is of 1.22 GB in the size. OnePlus has added some major changes in this update. The same update has also officially started rolling out for OnePlus 15, 15R and OnePlus 13s. The official community posts for these updates are now live on OnePlus community forum. Today we are going to review every single details of this update, which is same for all devices we mentioned earlier. At the end of this video, I will also mention which devices will get this update in upcoming days. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without further delay, let's get started. So I updated my OnePlus 13R and OxygenOS version is now showing as 16.0.8 v300. This is a huge changelog. Version details has also been updated with the same version number. Only SOTA version is now shown as EX01. Remember, OnePlus 13R didn't receive the June SOTA update B80P02. I think it will receive that update in upcoming days. That's probably why old SOTA number has been removed here. Security patches are also updated to June 2026. Now let's check out all the new changes and the features of this update. The first one is new application suggestions toggle. You will find this setting under the apps categories in app drawer inside the three dot menu. If you disable this toggle, app suggestions will be removed. If you enable it, app suggestions will be appear again in the app drawer. This time application suggestions are more accurate and recommend you to most use the application for faster access. Next, in Game Assistant, under the tools for the game capture setting, we now have 2K resolution option for captured images. If you select it and capture photos during gameplay, these photos will be saved in a 2K resolution for better clarity. You can find these captured images in a Game Assistant under the Game Album. Next, for weather application on the homepage, we now get the moonrise and moonset timings along with the images showing the moon's current lunar phase, keeping you informed about the lunar cycle. Next, under the accessibility and convenience setting, in outdoor mode, we now have new application pin option. You can pin up to 4 applications in outdoor overlay. So when you enable the outdoor mode and tap on the outdoor mode overlay button, you can quickly switch between these pinned applications. This works similar to Google Taskbar and it is the best way to switch between your most used application throughout the system. If you tap on this task button in outdoor mode overlay, you will get this temporary full screen option that switches the current application to full screen. This setting option will give you access to all outdoor mode settings. If you want to exit outdoor mode, just tap on exit option. The last and most important feature of this update is that you can now connect two Bluetooth devices at the same time and can switch between them seamlessly. I tried connecting my two wireless earbuds, S-Fast Crystal T8 and OnePlus Bullets. But you can switch between these two devices by selecting your preferred one through QS panel Bluetooth tile. Just open the Bluetooth tile and tap on your preferred device. Their sound levels can be controlled separately, meaning you can switch between two devices and can set different volume levels for each. But remember, this is not a dual audio. You can only listen through one selected devices at the time, not both simultaneously. So these are all the new features of this update. And these are available for all devices that received this update recently. I will test this update on my OnePlus 13R for next 2 to 3 days and will report its battery life on our Telegram channel. The link of Telegram channel is given in the video description. Now which devices will get this update? This update will only available for OnePlus 13, OnePlus 12R, OnePlus 12, OnePlus Nord 6, 5 and 4, Nord C5 and 4, OnePlus Pad 2 and Pad 3 devices. Except for these devices I already mentioned at the beginning which devices received this update. This update will only become available for these devices once they will receive OxygenOS 16.1 update. That's all for today guys. Hope you liked our work. Then please do like, hype and share this video. Subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon for notifications of our upcoming content related to OnePlus and OxygenOS. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.